Hi everybody! On this video, I am going to teach you how to make a quiz game on Scratch. These are the two sprites, Avery and the image. So first, I'll start with the Avery. When you try, just click it. Choose backdrop to blue sky. Let me just, like that. And then go to x minus 191 and y minus 69 and broadcast question 1. And when Avery receives question 1, it will ask what province does the Komodo dragon comes from? Like that. Just like that. This is the Komodo dragon. So the Komodo dragon is the biggest lizard in the world, and it came from Indonesia. But do you know what province does the Komodo dragon comes from? It came from East Nusa Tenggara. So let's program it. If the answer is East Nusa Tenggara, it will start sound. It will play sound tada until done. But if the answer is wrong, it will play sound alert, and then we'll broadcast the next question, and that is question 2, like that. Duplicate this one. So there are 5 questions, and each question has its own image. So the next question is, what province does the Putu chicken? Sorry, don't worry. The Putu chicken food comes from. So when I receive question 2, it will switch the image into this delicious Putu chicken. So Putu chicken is a traditional food that came from Bali. So if the answer is Bali, it will play sound tada until done. But if the answer is wrong, it will play sound alert until done, and it will broadcast the third question, and that is question 3. For the question 3, the image is going to be thin. LCY. Duplicate this one. Question 3. And then which province is the largest producer of tin in Indonesia? So basically the topic of the quiz is about Indonesia, province in Indonesia. So the largest producer of tin in Indonesia is Bangka Belitung. Bangka Belitung is actually one of the province in Sumatra Island. So if the answer is Bangka Belitung, it will play sound tada, and if the answer is wrong, it will play sound alert and will broadcast the fourth question. Question 4. Duplicate this one. This is question 4, and for the question 4, it's going to be about the youngest province in Indonesia. Okay, which province is the youngest province in Indonesia? So, if you ask what is the youngest province in Indonesia, it is North Kalimantan. Why North Kalimantan? Because North Kalimantan is the youngest province in Indonesia. It is declared as a province on 2012. If you answer the correct answer, if you answer correct, it will play sound tada, and if you answer wrong, it will play sound alert, and it will broadcast question 5. Duplicate this one. When you duplicate this one, after that, change it into question 5, and then it's probably the last question. The last question is, which province does the international Juanda Airport is located? So it will ask which province does the international Juanda Airport is located. So the Juanda Airport, this is Bandar Udara, because airport in Indonesian language is Bandar Udara. So the international Juanda Airport is located in East Java. So it is located in East Java province, and that is one of the province in Java Island. So after you answer all the questions, it will broadcast, and after when I receive end, it will switch backdrop to Blue Sky 2 when it has the writing good job in it, and then it will stop all. Like that. Also this one, yep, when I receive end, it will hide. Let's do this. This one is East Nusa Tenggara. Yay, correct. Okay, let's just test the alert. I'm going to type oof. Yep, it's wrong. That works. And which province is the largest producer of tin in Indonesia? It is Bangka Belitung. Okay, fourth question, it is North Kalimantan. Okay. Then this is East Java. There we go. We have a quiz game on Scratch. Okay everybody, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new from this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and family. See you next time. Bye!